Hello and welcome to this video, which is going to show you how to use a coin card to help you to divide, okay? So our objective for the day is I can create coin cards that help me to divide, okay? There's a bit of new vocabulary in this success criteria, but I will explain what everything means, and I just think it helps us. So first of all, as before, we're going to draw our grid. Then we're going to write in the divisor. That's a little bit of new vocabulary. We're going to write in our symbol and we're going to write in our coin card. Now I will go back and explain what the divisor is in a second, okay? Then I'm going to times the divisor by each number in your coin card, and then I'm going to look at the coin card when I've finished for what we call the dividend, okay? And I'll explain to you what those words divisor and dividend mean, because I think they can just help us understand a little bit more about what's happening. Okay, if you're not sure about how to create a coin card, there is another video which just shows you how to do that, okay? So let's have a quick look. So here is a division question. We've got 300 divided by 6. So first of all, what I want to point out is some of those new words. We heard the word dividend and divisor, okay? And this here, what we're dividing by is our divisor. So the second number, the number we're dividing by, is always called the divisor. And the number we are dividing up, so in this case it's 300, so the number we're dividing up is called the dividend. And I think that little bit of vocabulary will just help us to understand what's happening here. So the number we're dividing by is called the divisor. The number we are dividing is called the dividend, okay? So just wanted to go through that. So now we can draw in our coin card, put our symbol in, and now, if you remember, the divisor goes here. So we are making a coin card for the divisor. That's what we are doing. Every time we are using coin card to help us to divide, we are making a coin card for the divisor, this second number. Then we write in our coin facts like we always do. Remember, these relate to the money we use on a daily basis. Okay, now I can create the coin card, and it's exactly the same as normal. So I can almost forget about this and just create my coin card. 1 times 6 is 6, 2 times 6 is 12, 6 times 5 is 30, 6 times 10 is 60, 6 times, and again I can use these two, so 6 times 20 is hard, so I can just go 6 times 2 is 12, put a 0 on the end. 5 times 6 is 30, that can do that one, and then I just add a 0 on there, okay? So there's my coin card. Then, if you remember the last success criteria, we then look down our coin card and we look for the dividend. We look for this, we look for a 300, okay? We look for the dividend. So where 6, that's not my dividend, 12, that's not my dividend, 30, that's not my dividend, no, 60, 120, no, 300, and I circle it. And the 300 isn't the answer because that's the dividend, but this is the position it's in. This becomes the answer. So there we go. Okay, so 300 divided by 6 equals 50, and I've used my coin card to help me to divide. Now I am going to show you another one, and I'll keep on using that language of divisor and dividend because I think it's just helpful for us. Right. We're now going to try 3,500 divided by 70. So I'm going to do a slightly trickier coin card, talk you through some of the little bits that are tricky again. Again, I want to remind you the number we are dividing by, the second number in the number sentence, is always called the divisor. The number that we're dividing up between 70 things or 70 people is called the dividend. I want to keep on referring to that because I think that's a good thing, a good way of helping you remember this. Draw my coin card, first step. My divisor, it is the divisor we are making a coin card for. It's always the divisor we're making a coin card for. Then I write down my coin facts. 1, 2, 5, 10, 20, 50. Now I can create my, I'll say again, I can almost forget about this. And just create my coin card. So 1 times 70 is 70, 2 times 70. Remember, if you need to, write out your smile method to help you. 7 times 2 is 14, 0 to add on. Now I'd be thinking about writing this in already. If 2 times 70 is 140. 20 must be 1,400. 5 times 70, again, this is a little bit of coin method, so write it out if you need to. 7 times 5 is 35, put the 0 on, and now this answer will be almost the same, but it will just have another 0 added on. Then 10 times 70 is 700. There's my coin card. Now this is the last step, and I'm looking through my coin card for the dividend. 70, no, 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 there it is. I circle everything. There's my dividend, but it's not the dividend we're looking for. It's the number next to it, which is the 50. Its position in the times tables. So that would be the answer. So 3,500 divided by 70 would equal 50. Okay. Hope this is really helping you. Right, next one. Let's do 105 divided by 21. Again, this second number, the number we're dividing by is the divisor. The number that we're dividing up is the dividend. Okay, I draw my grid, I put my symbol in. The divisor becomes what we're creating the coin card in. I write my coin card facts, my coin facts 1, 2, 5, 10, 20, 50. Okay, and then I can almost forget about this and just create my coin card, and then I'll think about it at the end. 1 times 21 is 1. 2 times 21, that might be tricky, so don't be scared to do a bit of partitioning. That'll be 40. To double it, that'll be 42. 5 times 21 is going to be hard. Remember, there's 2 ways of working that. I could do a grid method, or I could do the 10 times 21 first, which would be 210. I could half this, so 210, that would be 100. That would be 5, so it would be 105. Or I could do grid method, remember, to work that out. I could have just done 21 times the 5. Yeah? Then I can work the 20 and the 50, I can work out by just doing this. So that would be 420. That would be 1,500. Now I've done my coin card, I can spend a little bit of time and look for this dividend, and this will give me the answer to the 105 divided by 21. No, that's not the dividend. That's not the dividend. That's not the dividend. Actually, wait there, 105. That is the dividend. So remember, it's not the dividend. We are looking for the dividend, but it's the number next to it, but which becomes our answer. And there we go. And that, guys, is how we use coin card to help us divide. I hope this video will be useful for you.